Welcome to Rig Video Tutorials. This is a quick video tutorial on how to export your most recent register. Once you've logged in, click on the View Recent Jobs List shortcut in the overview box. All your recent jobs will appear in a pop-up window. Select a job, then click on the View arrow to the right. The assets will then open in the Asset Register. Select all assets and click on the Download icon. In the pop-up window, type a name for your register and click Save As. You can either download the register as a single combined PDF or individual PDFs in a zip file. Then type a name for your certificates and click Save As. Again, either in a single PDF or individual PDFs in a zip file. Click on the Save button. Your register and certificates will then download and can be viewed. I hope you found this helpful, but if you are still unsure or have a problem, please contact rig@ranger.com.au.